Delivering a command during a school assembly requires clear communication, confidence, and a positive tone. Here's a general structure you can follow. Introduction. Greet the audience. Begin with a warm greeting. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and your role. For those who may not know me, my name is your name, and I am your position at class. Body. Purpose of the command. Clearly state the reason for addressing the assembly. I am here today to discuss the topic issue with all of you. Provide context. Give a brief background or context for the command. Recently, we've noticed, mention the issue or situation, and it's important that we address it together. Be clear and concise. State the command clearly and concisely. I am here to request action command. Explain the importance. Share why the command is important and how it contributes to the well-being or improvement of the school community. This is crucial because explain the reasons. Positive reinforcement. Encourage cooperation and positive behavior. I have confidence that each one of you can contribute to a desired outcome. Conclusion. Thank the audience. Express gratitude for their attention and cooperation. Thank you for your attention and cooperation in advance. Closing statement. End with a positive and motivating statement. Let's work together to make our school an even better place. Open for questions. If applicable, invite any questions or clarifications. If anyone has any questions or concerns, feel free to ask. Delivery tips. Speak clearly and loudly. Ensure your voice carries well in the assembly area. Maintain eye contact. Connect with your audience by making eye contact with different sections. Use positive body language. Stand tall, use open gestures, and maintain a confident posture. Practice. Rehearse your speech to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. Remember, the key is to be respectful, clear, and inspiring in your communication. Adjust the language and tone based on the specific nature of the command and the audience's age group.